Today, I asked ChatGPT to tell me how to use the chest machine. Let's see if this is a must or bust.
Let's get started.
Now, you may recognize this machine from a previous video, but here's what I did. Took the picture of the machine with the workouts on it and said I need a full workout for it. So this is me going ahead and starting with the press first, and then of course I always do the warm up, but I start with the press and do all those reps as it says to do, and do the rest, the push, all those things. And it's such a vital workout. Then I moved on to the incline decline version and followed that process as well. And I don't normally do those, so I did the full workout. Then I did the seated flat. I normally curve my arms a little more than I show right here in the video, and that really gets a good burn and a squeeze on your pecs. And then I ended it off with the one arm press with each arm, did 10 reps with the left, 10 reps with the right, and and did that a couple sets. I actually did all 3 sets as it said. And then I did the chest burnout too with the seated fly. I lowered the weight down, and then it's kind of like you're trying to wrap your arms around a really big tree or a barrel, and then you squeeze for about 2 seconds in your chest muscles, and you can really feel that workout burn. And I got a lot of these tips right there, as you can see right here in ChatGPT, where it tells you how to keep your shoulders down. I told it one time that my shoulder was sore, and it gave me some tweaks on it. It tells you here to finish harder, to do those push-ups. It's a great experience. So now I'm back at home, and I finished the workout. I actually went and did some hammer curls too, and I don't have that on film. I'm gonna do those workouts coming next, but I'm really trying to nail down these machines here for you guys and for myself to really maximize their full potential. And sometimes you go up to them, and I even watch people at the gym just kind of jerk in, and they're moving their full body, and they're doing all these things. And I'm not saying they're not getting some benefit, but when you follow the right techniques for your body and for the machine, you're able to maximize your time. And I don't know about you, but time is valuable for me. I don't have a lot of it. So using ChatGPT, I don't have to wait on someone to tell me what to do. And I'm not telling you to use the trainers. This gym actually I go to has good trainers there, and they do a fantastic job. But I'm able to get in there on my own time, use this machine, and do it to the best of my ability. Make sure you put your weight in there. If you're feeling a little slow that day, if you're feeling a little lethargic, if you didn't eat well, if you were sick, put it in the ChatGPT, and it'll help you with like a workout to get yourself going. If you haven't worked out in a week and you missed a week, you're like, hey, I missed a week. What do I do to get back to where I was, or to kind of just keep it going? Sometimes your body needs that break, and it is good to take those breaks. I've been going to this gym now for about 18 months, and I've noticed more change and more progression in the last couple weeks that I've been using ChatGPT. And so that's why I decided to go ahead and make these videos. And I hope you guys are utilizing that, and take the picture of the machine, tell you want the technique. I want to work out for just this machine. If you have any questions, definitely post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching Must or Bust. Go into the gym style and let me know if you like these, and I'll keep these going. I have a lot more to do. We're going to do some leg videos. I've got some more for just arms and other workouts. So even the elliptical machine. So those are all coming, even sit-ups and workouts and all kinds of things, all kinds of workouts. So stay tuned, and you'll see them soon.